Oh man, look at this. Oh boy. Oh, you ducks got a lot of eggs today. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you guys are almost out of food. The quack attacks. All right, Kenda, what are you up to now? And so the adventure begins. Bike is ready to go. This is my setup on the Jeep. This is kind of neat. I just took a shock mount, like from a Jeep, and I welded it to here, and I just through bolted it with one of these little 12 by or 15 by 110 axle you know, converters or whatever. So I just did that, put it on a tray. All right, good to go. Hey, there's another little thing I did. I just put these little like cups in there so they can get their water. Okay guys, the trail that we're gonna go to right now, I've been wanting to come out here for a while. Yeah, she ain't running too hot. This thing sits more than you could ever imagine. And I gotta get some gas. But anyway, so the rail's been so awesome. I haven't had a single hiccup electronic wise. Like, this thing's been like mint. I have no problems. I have 360 miles on the bike, original tires. The tires that are on it are almost ready to be changed out. Like, they're ready. Like, I'm gonna milk them out though, because I got a brand new set at the house, so I'm not too worried about it. I can kind of just run it. They're tubeless. They come set up tubeless. They got the tire sealant in them, and yeah, I haven't had any issues, man. This thing's been awesome. And it's got some pretty awesome features, and I want to show you, but since I got the e-bike, I think we'll be able to bust out some mileage and really see what this e-bike's got. Alright, here we go. This is all off. Now it's on eco. We're gonna do this in emtb because that's what we're gonna do. And let's see, my range 24 miles. 324 miles I've gone. Alright. Here we go. Let's see, total distance and time. Should be able to go. All right, let's get out of here. Up in hills, up away we go on these hills. This is why e-bikes have the fun. Let's do it. That's why I like scouting things out. Don't want to rely on other people to give you information. Sometimes you got to go out and get your own. Oh, shit. And that's why I have Gore-Tex boots. Oh, man, I went in. Ugh. All right, let's go. Yeah, unreal. This is so cool. Very steep. Way back down. It's gonna be very fun. All right, here we go. Up, up, up. That Bosch motor is working my 228-pound ass up this hill. So, yeah, stuff like this. Dude, check this out. Walk assist button, press and hold. Up we go. This is gonna help us get up the hill. So my bike's now, my rear tire, there she goes. Come on, baby. Yep, that's the assist. Now don't forget, bike's 52 pounds right now. I got a backpack on that's about 11. Wow, the assist, I tell you. And now I'm not pushing this thing. I'm still getting a workout. Wow. All right, I gotta bust this jacket off. I can't. Hey, always wear stuff like this. A type of a poly, a spandex blend, wool. There's some really good materials that you should keep in your mind to wear. No cotton, especially when you get wet. So, all right, and right here, it's wet. Wow, this assist is sick. Wow, come on. Yeah, we're getting it. Come on, baby. Ugh. Shit, come on. It's steeper than you think. I know. Oh, come on. Come on. It's really steep. Shit. Oh, come on, he got it. Oh. It's hard to see, but I know I keep saying that, but it just is. It doesn't, you can't tell with the camera. All right, let's get out of here. That was a steep one. Holy shit. Woo! Yeah, that's a steep one. Nice. There we go. There we go. There we go. Huh. Whoa, waterfall. Oh my God. Dude, this is so cool. Whoa, I can't believe I just stumbled on this. Wow, I'm in. Look at this. This is cool. Let's see if we can get up here. Oh, with a backpack on. Oh shit. Yikes. See if I can get a spot. Put my foot. Can't get a spot. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Dude, that is awesome. And there's a little pool. There's a little pool right there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa, this is just so cool. Oh man, I tell you, this looks like a super killer spot to have a cup of coffee, but I'm not gonna, because we got to get to the river. I wanted to go down to the river. We got to keep scouting out. So today we got to look at stuff and then plan. But I could tell you what, I might plan on taking a shower here. But hey, we got a lot of good rain last couple days, so of course this thing's gonna be ripping. So, dude, that's so cool. I'm just gonna keep going. Oh, looks like the trail goes right across too. It's getting pretty buggy. If we want to cross this thing, I'm just gonna see if I can kind of dance my way. Whoa. Uh-oh, that's not a good spot. All right, this is deep. We can't go this way. I didn't realize how deep that was, but we're gonna have to go this way. Whoa. Yep, going this way. Do I have to worry about the e-bike? I don't think so. I mean, why would I? It's a mountain bike. It's warranted. Okay, we crossed over. Unreal. Whew. I mean, come on, look at that. That is just the coolest thing ever. I mean, look at, you can see this whole trail that goes down here. I'll put down the old e-bike. But check this out. What was that? Thought I just heard a snake. All right, see this trail? Sweet, it just keeps going. But you got all this hill. Check out this landscape, mountain laurels, and look at the top over there. Tell me that's not a killer spot to put a hammock, or, you know, that obviously around here, this is like hammock area. I think there's definitely like times and places where it's like, I like having a hammock or a tent. I prefer a tent in more cases over a hammock. But there's so much rock around here. There's almost, could you find a spot? You probably could. Just saying, a lot of rock. Hammock would give you more options. But let's keep trekking. Let's try to get back down this hill. I mean, look at this. That's what I'm talking about. You got all these, you got this area to this tree right here. So here's your center point, and you have all of these trees around you. This would be a great, this would be for a single tent, single man tent. This is it. I got no rock. This is that moss. This is all nice. Yeah, this is super nice. And this dries out, you know, you get the sun right here. Dude, this is definitely a grade A camping area for a bike pack. I gotta find a way to end here or another place around here and actually make a pretty interesting bike packing loop that would be perfect for e-bikes. But as you can see, we got tons of trees already down, so it's kind of like, you know, man, this place almost needs maintenance. But is it fun just to kind of go anyway? If it's down, it's down. If it gets cleaned up, you know. So I guess, where are we going from here, right? Looks like there's a trail that's coming down this way. It's going, looks like there's more stuff over there. So that's what's really cool about being up high like this. You could totally set up a cool a cool sight. I'm thinking more by the water. Then you don't have to worry about water. So let's keep going. All right, so this place looks like it'll work out great for a campsite for yeah, a couple people, I guess. No more than probably 3. I'd say 3 would be it. Oh, did it miss the trail? I think it missed it. This is extremely dangerous down here, by the way. Wow. I think this is supposed to be like that top point. We're gonna shut the e-bike off for safety. I don't need the thing powered at all. Always something to think about. E-bikes, you turn those cranks, if you get off the bike and you go to work on it, say you trying to adjust your chain, if you turn it properly, it could potentially kick and get your finger. So something to think about. Let's go see how steep this is. It's a steep one. Oh yeah, you gotta have good brakes for this. Whoa. All right, we gotta just blast back. Otherwise, we could play around here for a while. I've been here for a couple hours, so we're gonna have to blast back. Just gotta get back to the kids. I wonder